This video discusses the banner menu bar. While the design of forms varies, there are common elements in their overall structure. The banner menu bar is located at the top of every form and contains a list of actions which are grouped beneath the menu item. If a pull-down menu is dimmed, it is not available. Under File, Direct Access is used to access forms while in another form. Object Search is used to search with partial information. Select selects a field and then enters the value into a form. Rollback returns the cursor to the key block field ready for fresh input. Save saves new input to the database. Refresh clears the message line. Print prints the current window. Exit exits from the form. In query mode, it cancels the query. Exit banner exits from banner after a prompt. Return to menu returns to the main menu after a prompt. And Preferences is used to customize banner. Under the Edit tab, Cut cuts selected text and places it on the clipboard. Copy copies selected text and places it on the clipboard. Paste pastes text from the clipboard to the position of the cursor. Edit is used to enter or update text. This is useful in long data fields. Under the Options menu, the content of the Options menu varies by form and by the position of the cursor within that form. The options available provides access to the additional blocks or windows within the existing form or to other related forms. Under Block, Next moves the cursor to the next block. If the next area is in another window, that window is opened. Previous moves the cursor to the previous block. If the previous block is another window, that window is opened. Clear clears all information from the current block. Note, information is not removed from any record or table. Under Item, Previous moves the cursor to the previous field in the current block. Next moves the cursor to the next enterable field in the current block. Clear clears all information from the current field. Note, information is not removed from any records or tables. Duplicate duplicates the contents of a field and copies it to a new field. Under Record, Previous moves the cursor to the previous enterable field. Next moves the cursor to the first enterable field in the next record of the current block. If the cursor is at the last record, a new record is created. Scroll up scrolls up a list of records. Scroll down scrolls down a list of records. Clear clears information from the current record but not from the tables. Remove removes all information for the current record, and when this is saved, removed information is deleted from the database. Insert inserts a new blank record. Duplicate duplicates all fields in the record and copies them to a new record. Under Query, Enter, shortcut F7, puts form into query mode to enable search criteria input. Execute, shortcut F8, searches database and displays first set of records that match search criteria. Cancel, Control+Q, cancels any query and takes form out of query mode. Under the Tools, this menu lists the packages that are available to Banner. They are grayed out if not available. Under Help, when help is invoked from a field, the following applies. Online Help displays online information for the current field or form. Dynamic Help Query displays the Dynamic Help form, GUA Help, in query mode, which is used to display traditional help for a field, block, or form. Dynamic Help Exit displays the Dynamic Help form, GUA Help, in edit mode, which is used to edit traditional help for a field, block, or form. Help Item Properties displays the Oracle Item Properties window for the current field. Show Keys displays the keys list, which lists the functions and their equivalent keystrokes available in your environment for the current form, window, and field. List displays the list of values for the current field if list of values appears in the status line. Display Error. If an Oracle error occurs, displays the code that is in error. Display ID Image. If the cursor is in an ID field, displays the images associated with the ID if available. Calendar displays the calendar form, GUA-CALN, showing a calendar with the current month open by default. Calculator accesses the calculator form, GUA-CALC, which functions as a calculator. You can use the mouse, number keys on the keyboard, or the numeric keypad to make calculations. Extract data with key extracts SCT banner data for the current block, with key data to a spreadsheet. Extract data no key extracts SCT banner data for the current block without key data to a spreadsheet.